Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by cutting risk out of the equation. Unplug the charger and place it on a non-conductive surface. Use a multimeter to check continuity at the plug and cable. This tells you whether a break exists and roughly where. If you spot frayed insulation or exposed wires, expose only the damaged area by trimming and stripping carefully. Once done, confirm which conductor, ground, positive, or sense, is compromised, so you know whether a simple splice will suffice or full connector replacement is required. You next open the charger housing cautiously to access the cable entry and PCB. Use plastic picks to avoid damage. Test the internal protective fuse and visible capacitors with the multimeter and replace any failed parts because charging issues often trace to these components. If the cable is the problem, cut back to healthy insulation, tin the wires, and create neat solder joints before sliding heat shrink over the repair. Make sure to restore strain relief so the cable won't fail again at the same point. You finish by reassembling the charger, ensuring all internal components sit flush and the housing clips or screws secure tightly so nothing shifts. Then test output voltage under a light load and observe for heating, smell, or audible noise for 5 to 10 minutes because intermittent faults often appear under load. If the charger still misbehaves, swap in a verified good connector or adapter to isolate the issue. If failures persist, replace the entire power brick, safety over marginal repairs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.